cherry tonight.
She don't play, she my type, she got brains, and I'm tight, she that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch a phone. She gon' live this moment. She don't play, she my type, she got brains, and I'm tight, she that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch a phone. She gon' live this moment. I like girls that dance, know how to move, and how to move. Not just stay friends, not just stay friends. But with my dude, but with my dude. 'Cause you look so fly, 'cause you look so fly, and you look so cute, and you look so cute.
Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. If you can't already tell by the tree and the title, today we're going to be doing a gift guide, a holiday gift guide basically for her. I know around this time of year, especially once you get to December, like you're in the end zone. Like we always get stuck buying the same gifts every year, you know? Victoria's Secrets and Bath and Body Works candles. But that's why I'm here. I'm here. This isn't my wish list. Not really. I'll just put a little disclaimer. I don't possess or own all of these gifts that I'm going to mention in this video today. So a lot of them have been spoken to as far as people who said they had something that they would prefer to have as a gift. I've seen them everywhere as far as like TikTok and things like that. And I've tried to go through all of these gifts and look at their reviews, and I've heard nothing but great things. If you guys would like to see some of the top 10, I think it's 10, maybe a little bit more than 10 gifts that I have here on today, then keep watching. Amazon. I try to do my best to aim for items that you can pick up from Amazon, because those are the gifts that get here fast. Okay, we want them to get here in 2 days. We only got like, how many more days until Christmas? A little over 2 weeks left for Christmas. Like, what? If not 2 weeks. I don't know what time. I guess it depends on when I'm going to post this video. My first little gift is the iPhone. I'm going to try to insert it here. The iPhone wristband. Okay, so if you haven't been seeing these wristbands, then, or if you don't have an Apple Watch, as you know, the wristbands on the Apple Watches are removable, and you can remove the wristbands off of the Apple Watch and replace them with other ones. Now, over the years, I have seen, over the last couple of years, that people have been actually interchanging the wristbands. I have seen like colorful ones, fun ones, like ones with charms and things on it. But these wristbands are like upscale. It kind of gives you the look. They're very wearable. You can wear them from day to day. They come in a couple of different colors. They come in like champagne, gold, rose gold, silver, which is one of my favorites because it looks like some arm candy. It looks real icy. They have a dressy and classy design. They're easy to adjust and resize, and they're sleek and comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Any type of jewelry that I wear, I want it to be comfortable. I want it to be interchangeable. I can wear it with different things. This was like an it girl item. I'm gonna try to link all of these items down below, but the iPhone wristbands, they retail for somewhere between $14 to $17. Very affordable. So the next item that I have on my list is the Tile Bluetooth key. Okay, if you guys have never heard of this, it is a tracking system. Okay, and I know when you think tracking system, you're like, but this tracking system is geared towards your keys. If you lose your keys in your home, you're trying to go out the door and you know that it's in the proximity. You know it's somewhere between 450 feet in the area that you've misplaced them. If you're constantly leaving your keys somewhere and you're in an area like a football game or basketball game or whatever, and you lose your keys, then it has a broader locator. This tile tracking system is A1. You know, this is definitely something that I have on my wish list, something that I know family members who need this, who constantly misplace things. And the tile tracking system helps track your phone. It can help track your keys. You can put it in your purse. Don't track your man with this, girl. Just be helpful to that one person who typically tends to lose every damn thing. Another great item that I have on this list is the Kitchen Envy Cookbook. If you have not heard the rave about the Kitchen Envy Cookbook, the influencer Nice, if you're not following her on Instagram, like, what, are you asleep? She has created a cookbook with all of her her famous like dishes that she has been displaying on her Instagram page. She has so many flavorful meals on here. Like if you're not following her, go follow Janice, okay? Follow the Kitchen Envy. She has a wide range of kitchen utensils, from air fryers to knives, cutting boards, strainers, all those things. But this specific gift is the Kitchen Envy cookbook. This cookbook contains all types of cuisines as far as Jamaican and American cuisines, soul food recipes. I can't think of a better gift to give a lady growing than a cookbook. I always think that cookbooks are very thoughtful gifts. It helps to broaden your range of dishes that you have in the kitchen. I think it's very important to, as a woman, to know how to cook. You know what I'm saying? To have a couple of dishes under your belt that you can dish out for holidays, wanting to be able to cook specific dishes for holidays and birthdays and stuff like that. So a cookbook is ideal, and I think it's a really, really good gift to give. The great thing about Kitchen Envy's cookbook is that it used to be, it stayed sold out at the beginning when she originally started to sell this cookbook. You couldn't keep it on the shelves, but now it is available on Amazon, and it ranges, I think the price ranges around $65. The next gift that I have here on my list is a car mounted vanity mirror. These vanity mirrors, they actually mount to the car visor, okay? And it looks just like a little ring light. What you do is you take it and you mount it to your car visor, and it gives you that ring light effect so that you can get ready in the car. There's no more, give me 5 more minutes. Take that car visor vanity mirror and mount it to your car visor, passenger side or driver's side. It's very versatile in the sense that it's universal in the sense that it'll mount to almost any type of car visor, and get ready on the go for your girls who tend to be the last one out the door all the time. Another great gift that I always think that it should be very important is skincare. The gift of health and wealth should always be important for every year. So the next gift that I have on my list, the Foreo Luna Mini 2. Okay, so I have the Mini 2, but I'm also going to introduce the Foreo Luna 3. Is a skin care vibrating brush. Okay, so you use this spin brush. It's kind of like a spin brush. If you don't remember the Aquasonic spin brushes, like I was obsessed. I had the Mia 2 and the Mia 3, and once they started having like the timers on them so that you can see, so that you knew how long you should be cleaning your face, like I really became obsessed with them. And so the Foreo is sort of like that, but it's no longer the brush heads. It has like little silicone like brush pieces. Just helps to clean deeply in the skin, unclog pores, and gives your skin this natural radiant glow. It has been said to remove 99.5% of dirt from the skin. You can use it, you can literally use it in the palm of your hand. And with the Foreo Luna 3, it has a built-in app that you can use on your phone to set the modes of your cleaning. Like at this point, you don't even have to think about it anymore. I think I always get my mom something skincare related. Rather, it's just like a gift card, like for like $25, like eye creams and spin brushes and cleansers, trial size skincare product, like skincare lines. Like those are things that you want to get a lady, things that they need. The idea of giving skin care for the holidays is top tier. The next item that I have on my list is Skims. Skims, okay? Skims. She wants the Skims. She's been thinking about the Skims. She has the Skims on her wish list. During the holidays, women start to go out and they're running to Vicky's Secrets and grab those, or Pink, and grab those 5 for 36 or 5 for 20, however it goes, girls. I can't remember, but we know we always run the Pink and grab those panties, okay? Skims has a 3 for 36 with their Skims panties right now. These panties are so versatile. They're so neutral that you can wear them with anything, and they literally feel like there is nothing on. I want some panties where I feel like I don't got nothing on, okay? Those are the type of panties that I want. Skims has a lot of very earth and neutral tones, and You just play up the idea that it's Skims. She's gonna love it. She's gonna feel special. She's gonna feel special. As well as not just the panties. You know, they have the set, the everyday essential fits. It's what she wants, okay? I'm telling you. She told me it's what she wants. The next item that I have on my list is necessary. It is a wine glass chiller, okay? I know it looks a little funky, but this wine glass chiller is actually a stand and a mount, okay? What you do is you take the mount off of the stand and you put it in the freezer, okay? It gets cold. After it's cold, you sit it back on the stand and then you slide your wine in it. No more wet glass, no more sweating glass, no more watered down wine. Now I know the price point on this runs roughly around $45, but she will thank you about her wine. Like, it also screams luxury. I see there's a wine glass stand, it screams luxury. It screams, you know what I'm saying? That seems luxe. I feel like this is a mental health gift. I feel like this is something that is a necessity and it's progressive. The next gift I have on my list is a world celebrated fragrance, okay? If you have not heard of the Maison France's Baccarat, I don't know if I'm butchering this name, Baccarat 520 fragrance, where have you been? Where have you been? It has been everywhere. This is a French perfume with key notes like saffron and jasmine and amberwood and cedar, okay? I am going to suggest the Alt fragrance number 23, I think. Number 23. I'm gonna link it down below so you'll know which one it is. This perfume is a dupe of the Baccarat 520, okay? It retails, or it usually goes for about $39, and this is a 2-ounce bottle. The actual Baccarat perfume retails for about anywhere from $325 to $625, depending on which ounce you're purchasing and where you're purchasing. I have had the chance to smell both perfumes, and this perfume is very damn close, okay? It has the exact key notes in it, the saffron, the jasmine, and it smells amazing, okay? I'm gonna try to break this down for someone who don't really know the smells, okay? Saffron is more of like a earthy smell, okay? And amberwood has more of like a citrusy, sweet type of smell, okay? I'm not a sweet perfume type of girl, okay? I like to have smells that are floral but pungent. Like I want them to be like I want them to be very ladylike. I want you to feel me when you smell me, okay? But I love this perfume. It smells earthy, but not earthy like man smell, but like womanly earthy. But it also has that citrus that gives that balance. So it's not too sweet. That earthy smell, it smells amazing. Like when you smell it on someone, you're gonna be like, that's that smell. Like that smell smells so sexy. It smells so grown up, and the person that you get this for is gonna love you, okay? If you have it in you to buy the Baccarat Rouge 520, do so, you know, do so, because they are gonna love you for life. But a really, really good dupe and a really, really good alternative is the Crystal number 23 in the Alt perfume. If you guys have not heard of Alt, it is a online fragrance store where they have just very similar perfume items. Instead of going out and buying these expensive fragrances that you don't know if you're gonna absolutely like or love, Alt is a really, really good alternative for trialing some of these fragrances. This is a really, really good way to make sure they get their hands on this scent, or a scent that's very similar to it during this holiday season. They're gonna love you for this, I'm telling you. You're welcome in advance. The next item that I have here on the list is something that I think that everybody has been raving about too, And it's also a really, really good thing to give people during the holiday season. House slippers. These are the furry little fluffy house slippers that we've been seeing everywhere. These house slippers you can find online on Amazon, and they retail somewhere between, I don't know, $14 and $20. They have memory foam in them. Anything cozy and comforting is awesome for the holiday season. Blankets, robes, things like this. But these house slippers, you've probably seen them everywhere, have been all the rave, and I agree. I'm on the bandwagon for the slippers, okay? Get me slippers for Christmas. The next gift that I have on my list is no shade, but this is the Aquasonic Black Series toothbrush. This toothbrush gives about 40,000 vibrations per minute. It's cleaning your teeth, okay? I love spin brushes to clean my teeth. That's kind of like one of my essentials. I have had work done to my teeth, but in order to make sure that my teeth stay the cleanest and the most upkept is to make sure that I take really good care of them. The ultrasonic spin brushes are amazing. If your family member haven't gotten rid of their old regular toothbrush, this is the time to do so for them, okay? Buying them a spin head toothbrush is amazing, because what these spin brushes do is that they typically have a timer on them. Most of them have a timer on them that allows you to brush for the necessary amount of time that you need to properly remove plaque and or bacteria from your mouth, okay? The gift of good breath and nice teeth is a gift that keeps on giving, okay? This is an amazing gift to give during the holidays. The Aquasonic Black Series is a wireless toothbrush, and it retails for roughly around $30. Like, the goal is not to go broke on Christmas. You want to make sure that your gifts are affordable, but they're of quality and they're thoughtful, okay? So all of the gifts that I have listed here, that I have mentioned here today, are pretty affordable gifts. They retail from anything from $30 to $100, and I think that it's attainable for the holiday season. If you have it in you, girl, to go out and buy your girl some Chanel and a YSL bag and some Gucci and some Louis, do what you need to do to make this Christmas holiday special. But I hope that these gifts are helpful. I hope that you can take some of these gifts home to your special lady and make sure that they have a wonderful holiday season. There are tons of affordable gifts on Amazon. Everything that I have mentioned here today, I'm going to link below in the description box, so that you guys could take advantage of all these holiday gifts. All the other gifts that are mentioned that are not from Amazon, I am going to leave the direct link to their website so that you can access them, but keeping in mind that we only got a couple of more weeks into Christmas, so make sure you jump on it as soon as possible. So thank you guys for tuning into my holiday gift guide. I hope you guys have found at least one gift that you can give to your special someone on this holiday season. If you guys would like for me to do another one of these videos, like last minute Christmas gifts that can range at a more affordable rate, let me know in the comments. If you guys plan on grabbing some of these things, if you're like, I'm gonna get that for me, let me know that in the comments, girls. There's a couple of things on this list that I'm gonna be taking home for myself as well as getting it for the women in my life that I love. But as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that little notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my newest videos. And I will see you girls in the next one. Happy holidays.